In this video, I'm going to walk you through your booking calendar. So in our dashboard here, I'm going to click on calendar. So this is going to show you all of your appointments that you have. You can filter by services, staff, location, session availability. So up here, you've got reports. You can export booking data. You can add sessions manually. So if you wanted to add an appointment, then you can choose which appointment you want here. Go ahead and schedule. Oh, we need to put in a client. It's going to pull up your contacts and then put the date. Obviously, we can go ahead and schedule that and it'll add it to your calendar. And then also you can come in here and block time. But what I suggest instead of blocking time on here, this is super important, is one of the most important things you want to do on your calendar is go through here and go ahead and sync to your personal calendar. So let me show you this really quick, just the update booking settings. Oh, actually that's not what I wanted to show you. Wanted to actually show you how you can also display this. There we go, change calendar display. So if you want, you can color code by session or by staff member. And then, like I said, probably the most important thing is to go ahead and sync this to your personal calendar. I'm not going to actually do it because I don't want it to sync to my calendar, but it will pull up. You can go ahead and sync, and then it'll ask you to pull up that account. Oh, you need to upgrade. So anyways, it's pretty simple, just a few simple steps to upgrade, or rather to sync this to your personal calendar. And then the final thing that I wanted to mention when you do sync to your calendar, go ahead and set up a test booking. Just make sure everything is working right.